I'm hearing trust in this divine guidance. Trust in this divine guidance. You are being protected and guided back to yourself, divine collective. Someone here is facing jail time. There's a scammer here. Someone who is fraudulent, a fraud, divine collective. They are facing jail time. Trust in this divine guidance. Someone here is very entitled, spirit says, very immature. They only care about themselves, divine collective. I really feel like someone is about to F around and find out. You know what's wild about this, divine collective, is whoever this is, spirit says they were given another chance to do something again, but do it differently. Okay? However, this is the type of energy that they have to F around and find out. Okay? Very entitled, very immature. Trust that your passion will lead you to your purpose, divine collective. You feel that there's someone that has completely destroyed your privacy, divine collective. You feel that in the past they completely destroyed your privacy. This is what spirit is telling me. Yeah, your ancestors are very close to this storyline, to this reading. Your ancestors are saying, I don't think so, divine collective. So someone is trying to, get close to you again that should not be in your energy. Yep, they're going to F around and find out. Your ancestors are here saying, I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe it is they want another chance with you here, divine collective. This is someone who destroyed your privacy, meaning they went around talking about you, possibly telling others that they barely knew things about you, personal things about you, divine collective. Okay? Something here may look nice on the outside, but it's not good. Spirit is saying it looks good on the outside, but it's not good. Okay? Hidden secrets that will hurt you. Spirit says they'll never do better than you. You are not a choice here, divine collective. You are not someone's choice. You are not an option. Okay? Epic fail. Someone here failed big time. I heard epic fail. Open your heart to attract more love, divine collective. I'm getting freedom, progress, rebellion, awakening, and originality. Okay? Someone is saying to watch your mouth in a threatening text, divine collective. Is someone texting you, trying to threaten you? Spirit said, yeah, they're trying to intimidate you for speaking out. So they're going to text you and tell you to watch your mouth. Divine collective, do you know how many texts I've gotten telling me to watch my mouth? I would really, if I got, let's say 25 cents for every text, I would have a little chunk of change. Do you know what I do every time I get those texts? I continue moving forward. And act like that text never existed, okay? And that's what you have to do, divine collective. I've gotten so many, even from, listen, a couple of weeks ago, I got one from a little girl. However, I already know the scenario. As I was reading the text, divine collective, I knew that this was a friend of a child that used to live in my house, okay? My partner's child that no longer lives here. I knew intuitively what it was, okay? I was being blamed for breaking up families and blah. Divine collective, it was a straight child, okay? I just prayed over the text. I prayed that, the pain that this child was feeling, because she was obviously hurt. It had nothing to do with me, divine collective. Nothing, it was just projections, right? But, she was letting me have it, baby. She was going off, but maybe she needed to. Maybe she needed to. Letting me know all about myself, okay? Or who she thought I was. Divine collective, I just let her have her moment, because a part of me felt like she needed that. She needed me to be her punching bag. And you know what? It didn't bother me. I've healed so much, divine collective. I just prayed over that text. But people will absolutely tell you to watch your mouth, threaten you, try to intimidate you, divine collective. But you gotta, your love, I often say this, your love for God has to be stronger than your love for sin, okay? Divine collective, and my love for God, there's nothing. There's nothing that comes before that, divine collective. Spirit says that this person thought that they were getting justice by attacking you. So that tells me that this person may suffer with some type of mental instabilities or mental issues, divine collective, because this person really thought that they were justified in the actions that they were taking towards you. We could be speaking about someone who is more religious, divine collective, maybe, like the card said, rebellious. You may be more into spirituality, whereas this person may have different beliefs. Maybe they're, you know, they were brought up in religion, so a lot of what you're saying or you're doing is not sitting right with this person, and they're thinking that they gotta do something to get you out of here, Divine Collective, when that's not the case. That's wild. That is wild, because someone here really is under the illusion that they were getting justice by attacking you. Spirit says you walk as if it's already done. That is how you manifest. If there's someone out there wondering, how do I manifest? You walk as if it's already done. Faith, Divine Collective. Blind faith. Okay? You know, faith is believing in things that you can't see, Divine Collective. So manifest. Walk as if it's already done. Someone here, don't take a pair of shoes from someone. Someone may be trying to give you a pair of shoes, Divine Collective. You don't need these shoes. They may be very nice. They may be your perfect size. They may be everything you've ever wanted, Divine Collective. Don't take the shoes. The shoes are cursed, okay? This has happened to me as well. I never wore the shoes, but oddly enough, maybe last year, Divine Collective, an ex of mine tried to hand me a pair of shoes that he found in his house. And me being me, I'm just very nice. So I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll take them. Obviously, I wasn't going to wear them, but, you know, maybe someone else could have worn them, Divine Collective, but I'm not wearing someone else's shoes. Like, when you're into spirituality, Divine Collective, and when you have the knowledge that I have, because of me studying and researching and learning, you learn that there's certain things that you just don't do, okay? Now, before I was awakened, I wore all kind of hand-me-downs and people, you know, shoes and things like that. I never thought anything of it. But now, Divine Collective, you just don't do things like that because they carry energy, okay? And energy can be transferred, especially in shoes. Shoes that someone has been walking in. They're physical shoes. So yeah, I mean, he's really not nice to me any other time. You really don't have anything to do with me any other time. And that's fine. That's how it's supposed to be, Divine Collective. However, you just come out and say, here, I found these and I think they'll fit you. They're my size. They look brand new. They're please, okay? I took them and I tossed them, right? I didn't know anybody who needed them, and quite honestly, Divine Collective, now that I know what I know about things, clothes and shoes like that, I'm very cautious of who I transfer that over to, right? Like, a lot of people call me to say, hey, do you have someone who needs this? And I'm kind of like the middleman, but now I'm very cautious because I don't want to transfer those energies onto anybody's family, right? So keep the shoes, right? Like, tell this person, keep the shoes. I don't need them.